Okay, this is the condensing unit video, but first I wanted to come over here and talk about this big hole in the window. This is the primary bedroom north wall, north window. Like we even got some gaps up around the lintel over there. So this is kind of a bonus round. We're talking about the condensing unit. And the ground goes down this way to the condensing unit. Now the foundation pad is supposed to keep the condensing unit a minimum of 3 inches above grade. And over here, not only is it not 3 inches above grade, but we got water running down against the condensing unit. If we come over here, it is over 3 inches over grade. So now it doesn't sit on the pad very well. In fact, it's hanging over both sides of the pad. So the condensing unit does not fit on the pad. Condensing unit does not have 3 inches. The condensing unit has dirty coils. The electric service disconnect is not supposed to be behind the condensing unit, and it should be sealed on 3 sides. I took a picture to make sure it was laced up like it's supposed to, and I did. And this is our data plate right here. And it's not supposed to be behind it. We also do not have an electric service receptacle over here. This is our data plate that tells us that our unit is 6 years old. Okay, it tells us that it's 4 tons. It tells us that it uses 410A refrigerant, no longer manufactured in the United States, no longer imported to the United States. Yes, they do have a stockpile, but as the quantity diminishes, the price of servicing this is going to increase. The compressor, they do no longer make those compressors, so if the compressor goes out, these pressure switches, same thing, a lot of parts they no longer manufacture because they no longer manufacture the refrigerant that requires them. They're phasing this out. And I go like, well, it's only 6 years old. I get it, it is only 6 years old. But that's what they're doing to it. That's what they're doing to us. We also notice, okay, just like it's a 4-ton system, that we should be having a 40 amp circuit breaker, which I'll find out later. 410 system, 4 years old. Okay. You through, bud? Not quite. The refrigerant piping, see how it's all coming apart here? It's supposed to be, since 2015, this is supposed to be more robust pipe. So they just feel there's the air conditioning line right there. It's supposed to be more robust insulation, excuse me, not a more robust pipe, but a more robust insulation. And then it comes down here to our Schrader valves. Look that up in the dictionary, you won't find it. Our refrigerant piping service valve port caps should be anti-theft, and they're not. So we have the wrong kind of caps, wrong kind of insulation, doesn't fit on the pad, it's not elevated enough. We've got dirty coils. Disconnect is behind the unit, it's not sealed on 3 sides. Okay, we do not have a service receptacle outlet over here.